Hi, I'm Vasusen. I'm the co-founder of Donobu. It stands for do not build, in-house specifically. We're building an AI QA solution where the agents come and test your website. It helps you generate a test suite as well as maintain it. So right now it's like a desktop app. Let's start by testing Starbucks here, saying like let's assert that the menu has a summer season vibe to it, and that there's this Starbucks store in this town in Vermont. So we'd fire off the agent. It would open up Playwright. This is all native Playwright. It will actually write the code for it while it's going. We don't trust AI inside our test suite. We only use AI to generate the tests. As you can see here, it's doing that. It's going to make, at any time, like a self-driving car, I can take over by pausing and deciding and clicking around. While it's doing all of that, all the steps are being recorded in multiple formats. What's cooler is that we're writing the test suite entirely with the codes being written so that you can deterministically rerun these tests and put them in your own test suite. But that's just creation. The bigger issues are maintenance of test suite. So when things break, our test, instead of pinging the engineer, pings the autonomous agent again to see is this a real failure or did somebody ship some random thing? And when they did, the test gets updated and you wake up to PRs instead of broken tests. So that's what we do. And you saw that the test, it's completed here, and you can play with it right now on donobu.com, download, and you can try it yourself entirely. So that's what we're building.
Right.